deep in the shadows. I know it's hard to put one foot.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from Google search. Our topic today is how to resolve copyright content issue on YouTube video removal. If you see the below message next to one of your videos, that means that a content owner claimed content in your video using YouTube's content ID system. This includes number 1, copyright content, number 2, muted due to copyright content, number 3, block worldwide, number 4, block in some countries. To resolve this, select the text that appears next to your video. This will take you to a page that provides more details about the copyright claim affecting your video. Under copyright details, you can see information about the material that was identified in your video. This photo here is where I got the information about this topic. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.